Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on residue theorem. It says compute one by sine z dz over the contour C shown. So the curve is this is 0, this is pi, and this is minus pi or 2 pi. X, Y, Z plane 0, pi, 2 pi. So the function given is 1 by sine z, and the singularity for this is when z, or I'll say when sine z becomes 0, that is z can be n pi, right? That is, it can be 0, it can be pi, it can be 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on. And we can see the contour provided contains 0 also, pi also, and 2 pi also. So these three are the singularities within the curve. Also, this C is clockwise. So we'll have to take care, we'll write minus of 2 pi I some of the residues at the points. Right? So let's find the residues. For z equal to 0, the residue is going to be limit z tends to 0 for z minus 0 into 1 by sine z, right? Sine, this is z minus a divided by 1 by sine z, so this is z minus 0 in this case as per the formula, and this will be given as, we can write it this, if you see, it is going to be 0 by 0 form, so we can apply LH rule, and we can see this is going to be 1 by cos of z for z equal to, or z tends to 1, so this will become 1. Secondly, for z equal to pi, the residue for pi is going to be limit z tends to pi, z minus pi into 1 by sine z. Again, this is going to take 0 by 0 form, so we can apply LH rule. Numerator will become 1, denominator becomes cos z for z tends to pi, so z cos of pi is minus 1, so this will become minus 1. Third is for z equal to 2 pi, so residue is f of 2 pi equal to limit z tends to 2 pi, z minus 2 pi 1 by sine z. Again, we can apply LH rule, and we can say that this is going to be 1 by cos z for z tends to pi, 2 pi. So cos of 2 pi is 1, so this becomes 1. Now we have seen this already, that all these singularities lie within the contour. This is the point, this is the point, and this is the point. This lies within the contour. Secondly, we saw that the path is clockwise. So the integration will be given as f of z dz will be minus 2 pi I sum of the residues. Sum of the residues which lie within the contour. Obviously I'm writing it sum of the residues because all three are lying within it, what we are talking about. Minus because the contour is in clockwise direction, so this is minus 2 pi I. The values we have found is, first one was 1, then minus 1, then again 1, so this will be directly minus 2 pi I. This will be the answer.